Hello and welcome to Wealth Step by Step Team Build. I am Carol Reve and I'm really happy that you stopped by this. We're going to talk today about how you can earn up to $9,873 every single month. And there's a potential to earn this because this is such a great paying matrix. With just 3 members your first month, you could earn that in 7 months. Yeah. Now I want to talk to you about that. And then I also want to talk to you about some of the places that I've been getting leads that I've actually been really surprised about. So, and I've gotten a really good capture page that I'm really excited about. And I want to show you right here that maybe you're familiar with my lead gen secret. This is 3 opt-ins that I have gotten from from that. And I have also paid for iBlast from the Hercules, which pays for a bunch of solos and submissions and buyer list paid members, and I've gotten, I've gotten some opt-ins from there. But for my lead gen secret, and I'm not saying to do one or the other or to stop, track what you're doing and make sure that what you're doing is getting you some results. Okay? I have a number of different free things that I like. And as you can see, that this is really, really bumped up really good over. And I'm looking at a month because this is what you need to think of it, not just that you're going to join for a month and see what happens. No, don't don't do that. Infinity Traffic Boost is a good one. There's Traffic Ad Bar. There's the unknowns are some when I've sent out to my list that is small, but it's growing. And then also, like I said, my lead gen secret. And I made some tweaks to these, to this capture page. Actually, I made a big tweak to this capture page. And when I did it, I deleted all the back stats of it because I wanted to see how the new one is doing better. And I do like this. Let me take you to this right here. And as you go in and click on enter your name and your best email, and then click in here to get more information, okay? I've set up a capture page that is doing really well. It's just for the team, just for my team. And it is based around how to get you have the potential to turn $30 into $9,873. And that's what's just referring 3 people in 1 month. In 7-month time, you can be at this level right here because you'll have a full matrix. Now that's in a perfect world. That's with everybody using our resources and getting 3. Okay? Now, maybe it'll take twice as long. If it takes twice as long, okay, that would be 14 months. Maybe it'll take 3 times as long. Maybe you can only get 1 new member a month. Maybe everyone can get 1 new member a month with this new capture page I have and this new sales page that I have right here. With you using, this works great in safe lists, traffic exchanges. You can send out through solo ads with different list mailers and different things like this. this works great. Okay. And so for you to get one a month, that would be 21 months for if everybody was to work and get one a month. In 21 months, you would have a full matrix. Okay. That is, you know, $127 short of $10,000 a month. And that's residual income. And that's just with bringing in, okay, you can get there in 7 months by bringing in 3 people a month and then showing those 3 what you did, simply giving them our resources. You get placed on a rotator, but honey, if you're working to get 3 in a month, you won't even need the rotator. Okay, just advertise in the places, the safe list, traffic exchanges, places that you normally advertise, social media, wherever that is. And this little $30 a month, it is a $30 a month subscription. The WSBS, the Well Step by Step product, is an autoresponder with a customizable capture page. It's based around a 3x7 forced matrix. That is why it pays so well. That and the fact that it pays dollars compared to cents. Most matrices only pay 25 cents, 50 cents per person that comes into your matrix. This pays $3 to $7. Okay, $7 for everyone on your second level, and then your first level, and then from your third to seventh level is $3. But just bringing in 3 people, okay, and giving them the resources that you have, showing them where you've advertised, and you can build up 3 people a month. In 7 months, you can be earning $9,873. And oh my goodness, what if in that 7-month period your matrix is only half full? Okay, that's like $4,700, or yeah, $4,900, $4,900. So you're gonna be, would you be okay with that? And that's if you're only half successful. And even if it's only 25% of it in 7 months, that's $2,700. I mean, a month, and you're paying $30 a month. I mean, the numbers in this don't lie. All you have to do, this is not a lazy person's. We do have a rotator. Like I said, you use the resources that I have, okay, the capture page that I have to do this. And once you opt into this one right here, okay, with your name and email, click that, and then it'll revert you or redirect you to this page, okay? Click this, and this will take you out into a new tab to a video, to watch this video. This also talks about getting 3 people a month. And you don't want to stop at 3 people. You want to continue advertising and continue advertising. You end up, but you want to continue. Plus, you're providing spillover for those, because there are going to be those that struggle. Even if you give them the resource, there are some that just aren't going to have the time, even though this only takes like 2 hours a day of just either clicking up credits and sending out traffic, and then you click this and it takes you to this video right here. Watch this video, okay, and then just scroll down here a little bit, click there to join our Facebook group so you can see them. And we're a real team build, and click here to join me. Make sure you see Carol Reve. Just click that. I'll take you to a new page. Make sure that you see Carol Reve on your thing for sign up. Yep, right there. Okay. When you're signing up, it takes a little bit to come up, but you can take a look at this. All right, and if you want some more information, you just go down here. Talks about the team build, talks about why it's important to get into the matrix, because when you join, you go into the next open spot in the matrix. There is spillover. This happens Okay, the fastest way of doing this, though, is to take this resource. I give you the share codes to the capture page that is kicking butt with this, and to this sales page, which goes into the explanation of this and the product. Okay, even if you struggle with setting this up and you need some help, I will help you set it up. Okay, just send the traffic. Send the traffic. If you get 3 people a month and you show your others, we'll show your others what we're doing, and they do the same thing. I'm only sharing this capture page with my team. And by the way, this is not the capture page. Everybody has this capture page. This is not it. I'm only sharing the capture page with the team. Okay, so you have to join now to be able to get the capture page. All right, because it works in traffic exchanges and safeless is what it was meant for. All right, so you get 3 people in the first month, and your people get 3 people. That's not a lot of people. There are some people that are getting in the first day, in the first week, or more. You know, if you can only get 3 people within 2 months, well, that's still 14 months you'll be able to have this built if your whole team can get 3 people in 2 months. And then maybe you can get 3 people in 3 months. That's 21 months you'll be up to this. Okay, but that's everybody working together, doing their part, advertising, sending credits to the capture page, getting everything set up and ready to go. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. Click the link below, enter your name, go to this page. Okay, go to this page, watch this video, and then click this button, sign up and join, and then click this button and join the Facebook group. Okay, and then wait for me to give you I'm going to send you a welcome email that's not going to have the capture page on it. It will have the email list series on it, but it will not have the capture page or the updated sales page, I don't believe. So wait for my second email that will have that on there. Okay, and then get this set up either on your own, or I'll get you set up on a schedule so that over the next few days I can get to setting you up, depending when it is that you've watched this video, when it is that you've joined. Okay, time is of the essence with this. First come, first serve to get the next open spot in my matrix. Okay, so click that, get joined, and then look for my emails. All right, and then if you want to, you can always send me an email saying, is this the right capture page that I need to advertise? The one that converts. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. The only ones that are going to know about this are the ones that watch this video. So I'm very excited. You have a great day, and click this link and let's go.